If you're considering Kibo Commerce for your dropshipping business, there are 12 crucial things you should know before making your decision. We'll break down the features, pricing, and potential drawbacks, so you'll know exactly how it compares to other options like Shopify, BigCommerce, and WooCommerce. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of whether Kibo Commerce is the right fit for you. Let's start with the first thing. Kibo Commerce is a fully hosted solution, meaning you don't need to worry about hosting or security. This is one of the key benefits, especially for beginners who don't want to deal with the technical side of things. It's all taken care of for you. Next thing, the platform is highly customizable. Unlike Shopify, which has a more limited range of customization, Kibo Commerce allows you to tweak almost every part of your store, from the layout to the checkout process. This is a big selling point if you want your store to stand out and match your brand's identity. The third thing is scalability. Kibo Commerce is designed to grow with your business. Whether you're just starting out or running a large enterprise, it can handle high volumes of traffic and orders. Shopify and WooCommerce can struggle with this when scaling up, but Kibo's infrastructure supports expansion without a hitch. Moving on to the fourth thing, pricing. Kibo doesn't have a standard pricing model. It's based on your needs and the size of your business. This can be a pro for larger businesses that want flexibility, but it can be a con if you're a smaller operation looking for predictable monthly costs. In comparison, platforms like Shopify and BigCommerce have more transparent pricing. Fifth, Kibo Commerce offers an integrated product catalog management system. This helps you organize and manage your products more efficiently, especially if you have a large inventory. While other platforms like WooCommerce rely heavily on third-party apps for similar features, Kibo provides everything natively, which can save you time and money in the long run. The sixth thing is customer support. Kibo provides 24/7 support, which is essential when you're running an online store. They offer multiple support channels, including live chat, phone, and email. Some competitors, like BigCommerce, also offer 24/7 support, but it's worth mentioning that Kibo's support is praised for being responsive and helpful. Next thing, the platform's integrations with various third-party tools are another advantage. Kibo integrates seamlessly with major tools for email marketing, accounting, and social media management, which is something Shopify also does well. However, Kibo stands out in how it integrates with ERP systems, making it ideal for businesses with complex operations. The eighth thing is mobile optimization. Your customers will expect a smooth mobile shopping experience, and Kibo Commerce delivers here. While Shopify has its own responsive themes, Kibo's mobile-first approach ensures that your store will look great and function properly on all devices, which is critical in today's mobile-driven market. The ninth thing is that Kibo offers a powerful built-in search engine. The search functionality is much more advanced than what Shopify offers out of the box, helping customers find products quickly, which can improve conversion rates. If you rely on a great search experience for your store, Kibo has the edge here. Now for the 10th thing, you should know that Kibo Commerce is best for dropshipping businesses that need a bit more flexibility in their business models. It's not as simple or as plug-and-play as Shopify, which is more user-friendly out of the box. Kibo's learning curve can be steeper, but it offers more control over your operations. The 11th thing is Kibo's ability to support international stores. If you plan to sell globally, Kibo has built-in multi-currency and multi-language support, which is crucial for expanding your market. While Shopify can do this with third-party apps, Kibo handles it natively, which can save you time and hassle. The 12th and final thing is Kibo's analytics and reporting tools. These are comprehensive and offer deep insights into your store's performance. If you're someone who likes to dive into data and fine-tune your marketing and sales strategies, Kibo's robust analytics set it apart from competitors like WooCommerce, which often requires additional plugins. So, is Kibo Commerce a good choice? Overall, it's a strong platform that's perfect for businesses looking for scalability, flexibility, and advanced features. But if you're looking for an easier, more cost-effective solution with similar capabilities, check out our recommended platform, which you can try for free.